Hey guys, it's Curry Gaming, and today I found three more Spin Master Monster Jam trucks to wrap up collecting for the summer until I have to wait till my birthday to collect trucks again. I found, so I went to Walmart today and I found the last Fire and Ice truck I needed, the Ice Earthshaker, and I also found the 2-pack with Max D and Alien Invasion. They're both Nitro Neons, so that's pretty cool. And yeah. So we're gonna start off with the Ice Earth. There we go. So there it is. Pretty cool. I really like it a lot. It's a pretty cool truck. And yeah. Give me a moment here. So there was the 180 look at Ice Earthshaker. Let's take a look at it up close. So instead of dirt, you got snow. Pretty cool. The ice treads, like all ice trucks, and the white roll cage. Instead of dirt, instead of earth, it's like ice here. And it says Earthshaker, Monster Jam Ice. On the top, it's white construction tape. It says Earthshaker right there. Pretty cool. Got the white hood and everything. Pretty awesome. And then same graphics on this side. I like this truck a lot. So pretty cool. Yeah, so there's Ice Earthshaker, and now let's check out the 2-pack. Here's Alien Invasion. And here is Max D. They're both pretty cool. I'll do Max D on the turntable first, and then we'll look at Alien Invasion. So there is the Nitro Neons Max D. The yellow tires are really cool, and the yellow roll cage. The graphics are a little different on this Max D from what I'm noticing. This is actually the final revised Max D, because it's less weathered and the graphics are a lot brighter, and so are the flames, so they corrected that and everything, and there's spikes on the side now. Yeah, so this is the revised Max D on the new chassis. So yeah. So that's pretty cool. And then we'll check out the final one, the Nitro Neon's Alien Invasion. Looks pretty cool. Oh yeah, and by the way, the Max D and Alien Invasion Nitro Neons double pack is from the Mix 4 series. So that's pretty cool. Alright, here is Alien Invasion up close. So it's got green tires and a green roll cage, kind of like the Nitro Neon's Gravedigger, but I think it's a darker green. Looks, actually no, it's darker green on camera. It might be the same mold and it might be the same color as the Nitro Neon's Gravedigger. I'm not sure. It's pretty much the same Alien Invasion, except it's got a green window instead of a black window. And of course, you know, these tires and roll cage. Still cool. It's nice to see. It's always cool to get different variations of certain trucks. So, yeah. Well, there you have it. Those were the last 3 I found today at Walmart. So yeah. One quick thing. These 3 trucks will also make their debut in Sign Up Series number 12. They will be considered late edition debuts. Sign Up Series 12. So in the comments below, if you wanna pick one of these trucks for the Sign Up Series, comment down below and say something like, I want Ice Earthshaker, or I want Nitro Neon's Alien Invasion, or I want Nitro Neon's Max D, something like that. So yeah, once again, these 3 trucks will also be included in Sign Up Series number 12. So if you want to pick them, comment down below on this video and say I want one of these trucks for the Sign Up Series, and I will reserve it for you. So yeah, alright guys, until next time, take care.